I'm going to try to do a new video series this year. I think I'm going to call it 5-Minute Fridays. And I'm just going to do some reseller related things on Fridays and do a quick video and try to get it uploaded right away. Hello YouTube friends, and welcome back to Renee Anita B. Today I decided to do a few cleaning projects. I have several things I want to get listed on eBay soon, and they needed a little bit of TLC, so I thought I would bring you along with me as I clean some of these things and just show you some of the cleaning products I use and maybe teach you some of the techniques that I learned along the way that might help you to clean up your thrifted items. So I have these two cute little carved wooden hound dogs. They're super dusty. You can see on their noses. Just wanted to polish them up a little bit and hopefully make them look a little better. So I'm going to use this Old English lemon oil. And I brought just some soft cloths out that I can use, just old t-shirts that I've ripped apart. I like to use those as my rags. And some Q-tips to get in some of these little smaller areas. So I'm going to try, I think the Q-tips first just to get around the nose area. We're just going to go right in here with it. And this should actually clean it and condition it at the same time. You can see how much dirt is coming off. So that's a good sign. I'm going to go down here in between his legs. That sounds kind of naughty, doesn't it? I should have probably showed you what the whole dog looks like before I get too far, so we can compare it later. Here's the first one. Paid 99 cents for these. I think they were 99 cents each. And here's the second one. So let's see what kind of improvement we can make on these. So I put a little of that oil on a rag, nice soft cloth. I'm going to use a Q-tip a little bit to go around his face. It's got a lot of little carved areas in there that I can't get in with the rag otherwise. I just thought these were kind of unique when I saw them at the store. The fact that there were two of them, I thought that was even more interesting because I was curious to know if they're supposed to be bookends. They're not real heavy, so I don't know how well they'd hold up books. Kind of a neat little folk art set, though. Alright, I finished the first one. Just wondering, can you see a difference? Other than it being a little more shiny? So we'll set that one aside, and then I'm going to start on this other one. So if you're a reseller, how is your year going so far? I have to admit, I took a long extended break. My son got married in October, so we were gone for a couple weeks for that. I closed my store, and then we had a wedding reception in November for him. And then it was Thanksgiving, and then pretty soon Christmas. I decided to give Vlogmas a try this year and made Vlogmas videos, so I wasn't putting a whole lot of time or effort into my eBay business. Luckily, I had almost 500 items in my store at the time, so I did continue to sell things, but I'm sure I didn't sell nearly what I could have if I would have worked a little harder on it. I did work really hard in August and September to get as much stuff listed as I could, so I had a good Halloween season. But it just goes to show, if you're not putting in the work, you're not going to be making the money either. But it was worth it. Because we had a fantastic time in Hawaii. My son's wedding was beautiful. The wedding reception was really nice. This is what they turned out like. I'm going to try to do a new video series. Serious. Not serious. I'm never serious.